Probably the most important evolution from the old Indian Evidence Act to the current Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam is the acceptance and the recognition given to electronic and digital records. This was essential because most of our communication and commercial transactions these days depend significantly on electronic and digital systems. Since document is one of the most important and widely used terms in the Sakshya Adhiniyam, the definition of this term has been expanded to include electronic and digital records as well. One of the illustrations under this section also gives examples of different types of electronic records which qualify as documents. The definition of evidence has also been expanded. Further, section 61 makes it clear that electronic and digital records will have the same legal effect, validity and enforceability as any other physical documents. Because technology keeps changing very fast and the Sakshya Adhiniyam may not always be up to date, section 2.2 of the BSA provides a connection to the Information Technology Act by stating that words and expressions used in the BSA but defined in the IT Act of 2000 will have the same meaning as what is intended in that act. So terms like digital signature or electronic signature, which are used in the BSA but not defined here, will have the same meaning as per their definition in the IT Act. So whenever the IT Act gets updated, the Sakshya Adhiniyam is also automatically updated. To summarize, the BSA not only recognizes electronic and digital records, it also gives them the same legal status as physical records.